the mic testing. I think it's going. Just trying to focus. Is that Bambi's butt? Yep, it is. Okie dokie. She's putting her head in. Oh, she might regret that. Well, that is my child. This is just, I don't know if I'm in focus. I'm like slowly getting off my ADHD medications, and maybe it's obvious. That was a weird sound. This is just gonna be some footage of this. Just kind of some slow moments around my little area of the West Coast. Oh, I don't know what she's doing now. What are you doing now? Bambi, what are you doing? Basically just some little bits of a not very exciting life. But I like it. Here we see an example of a tree that fell naturally. The way that the roots are exposed, it might have fallen from a windstorm. And a tree that was felled intentionally with the wedge cuts from a chainsaw. And here we have ourselves a beautiful deer. Look at the teeth on this thing. Bambi. Seeing lichen on a tree like this is always good. It's usually a sign that the air is clean. I swear, Bambi has some sort of mountain goat DNA. Jeez. So this beach area is just down the road from where I live. And I remember the first time I came here, I really noticed the texture of the rocks. Apparently some long time ago, the land just kind of started sliding, which leaves a really interesting pattern. Okie dokie. Well, we're gonna attempt to make some mead, which if you don't know what mead is, it's one of the oldest alcoholic drinks ever. It's like Viking honey beer. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I usually just kind of use the fuck around and find out technique for most things, so here we go. Yeah. Alright. The honey's going. Just gonna, like, gloop it in there. Is that a word? I don't know. You can see where the name liquid gold came from. Now we're gonna yeast this up. That's a weird sentence. Just a nice little chunk of yeast. There we go. Get that flushed down. Shake it up a bit. Basically 2 pounds of honey for 1 gallon. Just some random nice little close-ups. Nice. Delicious. Almost there. It's a very slow drip, so just trying to get it all out of the jar. The thing we did before was actually yeast nutrients, so now we're adding actual yeast. Okie dokie. It is ready, it is fermenting, and we'll come back tomorrow. So this is actually now day 15, and it's looking good. I've degassed it a few times, and we're basically halfway there. Okay, now I'm just gonna jump in with a narration to just sort of explain some things. Like, I don't know if you noticed my eye looking a little red. Just over a week ago, I had laser eye surgery, so now I can see the world without glasses, which is actually pretty crazy. Like, I can see the wind moving the trees in the distance, and it's crazy actually going to places that I've been to before and then seeing those places with a new vision and realizing how much I missed out on. So that's been very eye-opening. And then just along the theme of capturing life and things, I was with a Girl Guide group the other day and did a really fun workshop with them. We talked about tree anatomy, how to chop wood and do it safely, a bunch of different types of axes and the history of them, and then how to start a fire, which they seem to really enjoy. Definitely going. Do we know what's burning the most? Does anyone see what's burning the most in here?
Paper.
The paper. The driest thing is gonna go. Also, nope. Also, this is coming out, which feels actually unreal. So for those of you that don't know, I wrote a book, which just feels like my dyslexic ADHD neurotism-y brain is just like, how is this possible? So this is now in its final form, and it just feels like such an unreal process. And so now that the book is done, I've had some time to get into something that I've been really wanting to do for so many years. I've been wanting to be a volunteer firefighter for quite a few years, And at this point in life, it feels like I'm ready to make that commitment and hopefully help out my community. I just started training a couple months ago and have my first exam coming up, so here we go. And then other than that, it's just living life.